Some of the finishing touches that we put on, although it is cut very nice, all the corners line up, we do caulk everything, again for moisture, wind protection, any vapors, anything like that. It does come with touch-up paint. You know, sometimes a homeowner, heaven forbid, you know, drops something or scratches something or hits something, or even just, you know, with our weather conditions in Canada, who knows, some hail or some freezing rain could do a little bit of damage to it. Blowing trees, branches, who knows, right? All the elements we experience here in Canada. It is a wood product that can be wood filled if there's some small dents out of it. And again, it has multiple coats of paint on it, so it is pretty strong. It's solid wood, so it can take a decent amount of abuse. In terms of upkeep after the fact, it's not a horrible idea. If you live in an area where there happens to be, you know, if you have some big trees, sometimes spiders and whatnot make their little their webs and nests up in the corners near the soffit and the top of the freeze board or the top of your siding. To go around seasonally, it really doesn't hurt to just take a broom and sweep it all down and get all that stuff out of there. Also, a light pressure wash certainly doesn't hurt at all. If you live in a country property or a downtown property where there's traffic, you'll find the brake dust and the tire dust that just floats in the air. So a nice pressure wash around the exterior every now and then is also nice.
Well, thank you very much, Ryan. That was very informative, very helpful. And remember, if you have any more questions, your project coach is standing by.